Welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to describe another Leetcode problem. Okay, and this problem is based on string. The question is remove all adjacent duplicates in string. You are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters. A duplicate removal consists of choosing two adjacent and equal letters and removing them. Okay, we'll repeatedly make duplicate removals on S until we no longer can return the final string after all such duplicate removals have been made. It can be proven that the answer is unique. Okay, so in the first example, this string is given to you. So you can see this B and B are adjacent with each other, and these two characters are equal, right? So you can remove this B and B. So after removing this B and B, your next string will be AACA, right? Now AA are adjacent with each other and they are equal. Means they are same characters, right? So you can easily remove this A and A. At the end, you just get what? CA. Okay. So same thing is happening in this example 2 also. This string is given to you. So here x's are adjacent with each other and these two characters are equal characters. These two characters are same characters, right? So now after removing these two x's, then your next character is z and z. These two characters are also same. Then you can remove this z and z also. So at the end you get ay. This is your final string. Okay. So I think this question is clear to you. Now you can think, okay, I think we can solve this problem using hash set. But you have to know this thing. Using hash set, yeah, you can solve this problem, but the order will not maintain. But we have to maintain the order. Okay. So that's why you cannot use hash set, because using hash set you cannot maintain the order. Okay. So that's why you have to use other concepts, like here I will use stack. Okay, using stack we can easily remove the duplicates and also we can maintain the order. Okay, so let's start. So how we can solve this problem using stack? Let's see. So at first let's declare character type stack. Okay, then just traverse is a string. Okay, so now if sk so size is greater than equals to 1, then we do something. Otherwise we just sk dot push a particular character. Okay, else means what? The stack is totally empty, means I don't have any element. Okay, so if the stack size is greater than or equals to 1, then we'll check if sk dot peak is equals to c. Then sk dot pop that particular element. Okay, else you know pop method will remove the topmost element of the stack, right? Else we just push that particular character. Okay, so now you have to return a string, right? So str then for c sk str c. Okay, at the end we just return this str. Okay, a stack, sorry for that, it will be stack, right? Yeah, I think what's going on in this code? Basically, this follow is used to traverse all the characters that are present in the string. Okay, if the stack size is 0, then we just push that particular character. Otherwise, this if block will execute. Okay, let's take the first example. Using example, you can easily understand any code. That's why I always use examples. Okay, A C A. Okay, so it is your stack. Okay, so what is your first character? Your first character is A. Okay, so your first character is A, right? So what is your stack set? Your stack size is 0, right? This else will execute and we just push that particular character. So in your stack, what you have? A. What is your next character? Your next character is B. But now your if block will execute. Okay, because now your stack size is 1, right? Now it will check if sk.pick. So pick method will give you the topmost element, or you can say last inserted element. So what is your last inserted element is A, right? And what is your C? Your C is B, right? So now these two characters are not equal, then this else will execute and we just push that particular element. So now your next character is B. Okay, so now what is your next character? Your next character is B again. So now again B, right? So now the if will execute, then it will give you what? sk.pick method will give you B, and what is your C? Your C is also B. Now we just pop that particular element. We just pop B because pop we already removed the topmost element. Okay, or you can say last inserted element. Okay, so now what is your next character? Your next character is A, right? So now this if will execute because now your stack size is 1. So this sk.pick method will give you A. Okay, and what is your C? C is also A, right? Because this C is what? This C is this cat C, and now your C value is A. Okay, so now these two characters are same. Now again we just pop that particular element. We just pop the topmost element of the stack, or equals the last inserted element. So now what is your topmost element? Your topmost element is A. Now you just remove this A. Okay, so now what is your next character? Your next character is C, right? So now this if will not execute. Now this else will execute because now your stack size is 0. Okay, so we just insert that particular character. What is your particular character? C. Now in your stack what you have? C. Okay, so what is your last character? Your last character is A. Okay, now your stack size is not 0, means that now your stack size is 1, right? So what is your sk.pick method will give you? Will give you what? C, right? And what is your C? C is A. Now again these two characters are not same. We just push that particular character. Your particular is A. Now in your stack what you have? CM. So in this way you can maintain the order, and we can also remove all the duplicate elements. Okay, so at the end I just declare a string and I just add all the characters in the string. Okay, at the end I just return this string. Okay, so now time complexity, your time complexity is order of n. Okay, and what is your space complexity? Space complexity is order of n. Okay, so now let's run this code. So if you have any question, you can definitely ask me in the comment section, and you can give me any type of suggestions that I can improve. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.